I just threw some hot water in here. I love the colors of these bowls. They're so beautiful, and the little thing that the bamboo sits on is cute too. We're just gonna go like, oh no, I screwed up already. It's okay. We will figure this out together. We're just gonna do 2 little scoops like that. Learn from my mistakes. Don't put it directly in there because this is how you get out the clumps. And that was exactly what I was trying to avoid. And it gives it like, you wanna do it in like an M shape I saw, like kind of up and down, not just around. Try not to splash on my white tank top. I've been doing matcha where I have the clumps and I'm really sick of the clumps. Theanine is in matcha, and theanine is so good for your brain. It helps you from getting the jitters, and there's so many beneficial properties in matcha, like nice and frothy. And I'm gonna make it a latte. And then I love that this has a little pour spout. Beautiful. And look, no clumps left behind. Isn't that beautiful and delicious looking? Yeah, way better. No clumps. This is so good.